Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since my last upload, but today I'm back with another helpful video. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to redeem Shopon cards and convert them into Binance USDT or other cryptocurrencies. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so if you've never done this before, don't worry, just follow along. Let's get started. Before we begin, you'll need two things. First, you'll need some Shopon cards. I've already collected a few Shopon cards that I'll be using in this demonstration. Second, you'll need a Binance account because that's where you'll receive your crypto. If you don't have a Binance account yet, you can create one using my referral link. You'll find the link in the first comment below. For this example, I'll be purchasing 10 USDT. At the time of recording, the price is approximately 3,500 Pakistani rupees, so I'll need 7 Shopon cards to complete the purchase. Open your browser and search for Shopon. Once you're on the website, create an account if you haven't already. After signing in, use the search bar and search for Binance. Scroll down until you find the Binance gift card or voucher option. In my case, I'm selecting the 3,500 Pakistani rupees card that gives approximately 10 USDT. Click on the product and add it to your cart. Once it's in your cart, proceed to checkout. Now we're on the checkout page. For the payment method, select cash on delivery. Since this is a digital product, nothing will actually be shipped to your address. We're simply selecting this option because the product will be delivered digitally. Next, paste your Shopon card codes into the redemption section. A small tip: I like to keep all my Shopon card codes saved in a text file. That way, I can quickly copy and paste them whenever I need them. As you can see, I've entered all 7 card codes. The remaining amount shown is just the delivery charge, which isn't important because the final product is delivered digitally. Once everything looks correct, click Place Order. After submitting the order, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your order has been placed successfully. The next step is very important. Download your invoice because we'll need it later in the process. If you don't see a download button, don't worry. Shopon also sends the invoice to your registered email address, so you can download it from there as well. Make sure to keep the invoice handy. To complete the redemption process, I contacted Shopon live chat support. They informed me that digital goods are handled through their WhatsApp support team and provided me with a WhatsApp number. I then sent my invoice to that WhatsApp number and waited for verification. The process was straightforward and the support team guided me through the remaining steps. After the verification process was completed, the USDT was successfully transferred to my Binance account. As you can see on the screen, the 10 USDT has been deposited successfully. The entire process was smooth and didn't take much time. And that's how you can redeem Shopon cards and convert them into Binance USDT. I hope this guide helped you understand the process and made things easier for you. Your one like motivates me to create more valuable content like this. Also, subscribe for more tech tutorials, guides, and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.